boys and girls. Yesterday we started working with a new number. Remember this number? We started working with the number 19 yesterday. The number 19 is a 1, 9. So whenever you see 1, 9 together, what is that number called? 19. Okay, can you help me count the bumblebees together? Let's do it. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So we have 19 bumblebees. Okay, we're going to be doing some work with the number 19 today. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do, let's take this paper right here. Okay, we're going to be doing a number 19 search. So before we do the search, I want to just show you how we make the number 19. All right, the number 19. First we start with a 1, we go straight down, and then the 9. We start at the top, we go around and down. Okay, so there's our number 19. And on this side of the page, we're going to do a 19 search. Now, if you have daughters, you can use daughters. If you don't have daughters, you can just circle the number. Okay, remember we're looking for 19 though, okay? So here we go. I'm going to use my orange daughter, but you could use either crayon or a daughter if you want. Okay, remember that we rolled for a 1 and a 9. Let's look at the first one here. Is that a 19? Yes, put a mark on there. Okay, and let's go across. Is this the number 19? No, that's an 18. What about that one? You remember that number? That's 15, 16, 12. What number is this one? Remember that? It's 11. How about that one? That's a 16. I remember the 16. The 6 has an opening on the bottom. The 19 has the opening on the top, so we don't want that. Remember this one? That's a 14, 10. What is this number? 19. Good. Put a mark on there. Come down to the next row. Remember what 1 and 3 is? That's 13, 10. What's that number? 19. Good. Let's put a mark on that one. And here we have 14, 15. Remember that number? What's it called? 19. Put a mark on there. And there's what number? 12. Is that the number we're looking for? Yes, that's the number 19. Put a mark on it. And this one next to it, 19. That's the one we're looking for. Put a mark on it. And what about that one? Do you remember that number? That's 17. How about down here? 13. What's that number? 19. Put a mark on it. And this one is 17, 11, and 18. Okay, so we're looking for what number? 19. Let's see how many we found. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, now we're going to do something else where we're going to be counting with the number 19. Okay, take this paper here now. Take this one. And we have 19 lollipops. Now remember, sometimes we're going to see the numbers looking a little fancy like this one. So we don't usually make it that way. Remember, we usually make it like this, okay? Straight down. So here is number 19, just like that. And we're going to have 19 lollipops. So we're going to count the lollipops, color the 19, and count the lollipops. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay, so we're going to color the number 19. You can use whatever color you want. I think I'll use my orange crayon, but you can use whatever color you want. Remember, we don't normally make the number 1 with this fancy thing on the front, but sometimes when it's printed by a company, they make it fancy that way. We just make it straight down. But we'll color in our 19. Okay, remember 19 is a 1 and a 9. And when we do the 9, remember you want to leave that middle part open. Okay, so when you're coloring that in. So here we have our number 19. So we've learned lots of numbers so far. So we're going to color in the 19, and then we'll go back and we'll do our lollipops, and we'll count them one at a time as we're coloring. Okay. All right, so what number is this? 19. All right, so when we're doing our lollipops, remember we don't want to go all the way across. We want to do one at a time. And you can make them all different color lollipops if you want. You can make them all the same color. It's up to you. Okay, but either way, we're going to do one at a time. Okay, so we're going to color and count at the same time. Okay, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, let's see what we have so far. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, let's do some more. 11, 12, 13, 14. Let's see what comes next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. What comes next? 15, 16, 17, 18, and what number is the last one? 19. All right, let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So we have 19 lollipops. And let's just do our B's one more time, okay? This is how we normally would make our 19, the straight one. Let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay, so there's the number 19. Okay, bye-bye.